Good morning and welcome to the area Securities Markets Update. Beginning with the Asian session today, a collection of economic figures were released from China and Australia, which had almost a muted impact on the markets. Beginning with Australia, the AIG Services Index increased to 49.3 in July, up from 47.6 in June, and this is the biggest monthly increase since February of this year. On the other hand, the trade balance deficit narrowed more than expected to minus 1.68 billion in June, while the estimates were to narrow to 2 billion in July, and also the July deficit has been also revised to 2.04 billion instead of 1.991 billion. This is the third also monthly trade deficit in a row. In China, the HSBC Services PMI showed a significant decline to 50 key level in July, down from 53.1 in June, which is the biggest monthly decline since April of 2013 and the lowest reading on record. During the European session ahead, a collection of economic figures will be released from Italy, Spain, Germany, the Eurozone and the UK, which may have a notable impact on the markets. Eyes will be concentrating on the services PMI's data, which likely to come in with mixed outcomes. Spain and the UK may improve, Italy may retreat slightly, while the Eurozone and Germany is set to remain stable in July. Moreover, the Eurozone retail sales is likely to be the key for this session, which is set to rise for the first time in 2 months by 0.4% in June, comparing to growth or to no growth in May. However, the year-over-year retail sales is estimates in June is at 1.4%, which is double the increase in May, which was at 0.7%. Also, as for going forward to the U.S. session today, we will be focusing on 3 economic data sets today. The final services PMI may remain stable or unrevised at 61 in July. However, the ISM non-manufacturing PMI is expected to rise slightly to 56.6 in July, up from 56, which would be the highest since September of last year. And finally, and most importantly, we will be watching the U.S. factory orders figures for the month of June. The estimates are to grow by 0.6% in June after a decline of 0.5% in May. Any disappointment will lead the major financial institutions and banks to cut their second US GDP estimates again. This is it for today. You can follow us on our social media sites, Twitter, Facebook and YouTube to get the latest economic releases, reports and analysis. Thank you for watching.